Take a closer look, closer than you ever have before. Beneath this metallic mask lies a hidden layer of skin that most people never see. For years, your pores collect pollution, oil, dust, and dead skin. Slowly, that buildup steals your natural glow. But today, inside this high-tech aesthetic lab, we reveal what really hides inside your pores. Watch carefully as the silver mask slowly peels away, revealing what professionals call diamond skin. This glow is not magic, it is science, precision, and deep skin technology working together. Most people believe washing their face is enough to keep skin clean, but deep inside the pores, oil and microscopic pollution particles remain trapped. Over time, they create dull skin, uneven tone, and clogged pores. So before any treatment begins, the first step is investigation. Using a high-resolution digital skin scanner, we zoom into the microscopic world of your pores. Look closely. These tiny openings are filled with oil, debris, and oxidized particles. This is the hidden layer that ordinary skincare products never reach. To reveal the true glow, we must first excavate the pores. Now, the real transformation begins with the Hydra extraction device. As the tool moves across the skin, purified water flows gently into the pores, while a powerful vortex suction pulls out trapped debris. Inside the transparent tube, you can see cloudy liquid traveling through the pipe. That liquid is everything once hiding inside the pores: oil, pollution, microscopic dirt, and dead skin cells being removed in real time. As the suction continues, the pores begin to clear, and the skin finally starts to breathe again. Next begins the second stage of the glow protocol: chemical resurfacing. A controlled molecular acid solution is applied carefully across the skin. These acids gently dissolve dead skin layers and stubborn pigmentation. Many people try dangerous DIY treatments like lemon or harsh scrubs, but professional formulas work differently. They renew the skin on a microscopic level. As the peel activates, a light, frosty layer forms on the surface. This means old cells are being replaced by fresh, new skin. Now we move to the third stage: oxygen therapy. A special mask releases purified oxygen and nutrients across the face. Tiny bubbles form and pop gently, delivering hydration deep into the skin. After extraction and renewal, the skin needs calming and tightening. Frozen ice globes glide slowly across the face, reducing redness instantly. The cold tightens pores and improves blood circulation, helping the skin look brighter and smoother. Now, a powerful serum ampule is opened, and golden drops slowly fall onto the skin. This concentrated serum spreads across the face and absorbs instantly. The cold locks the serum, and the serum locks the glow. Moments later, the result becomes clear: clean pores, smooth texture, and radiant glass-like skin reflecting the clinic lights. Everything removed from the pores now sits inside the extraction jar, showing exactly what was hiding beneath the surface. This is the Glow Protocol, a complete pore excavation and skin renewal treatment designed to reveal the healthiest version of your skin. Because when the pores are truly clean, the glow becomes impossible to hide. The lab never lies. Stay glowing.